What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and today we have some more silver pours that I have recently done. Now, you've seen these two. This is number 8 and number 9 of my 6 through 10 pours, but then I've recently done some more pours back here that was in drywall. I was experimenting a little bit. I put some numbers and some letters and then a small design just to see how it went. This guy's probably going to be re-poured. Of course, if somebody wants it, they can definitely get it, but that was the quick one. I made some real quick molds out of drywall just to see if it worked. I'm going to show you that real quick. We went through 14 and 15. This one ended up with ripples, but we'll go through these, look at these more in detail, but I want to show you these videos real quick. Alright, so what I have done here, of course, we're about to pour some silver, and I carved some stuff out, kind of primitive. I like using the word primitive because if it doesn't come out, then we know that it was primitive. But that being said, well, I've already poured 10, some 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 is going to be here. That's the plan. We're going to find out. That's going to be number 13 for sure. The person who's getting number 13 already knows he's getting it. So that's going to be 13 for sure. It might go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't know yet. We're going to see how it turns out. If this doesn't turn out, I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board. But I'll let you know in a minute. We had a little spill over there, but watch it cool down. As it cools down, it'll start, I don't know, pushing stuff to the top. And that's where we get the little burrs on it. This is number 12. This is number 12 right here. There it goes. And it didn't pop up this time. There they go. There they go. There they go. There they go. Alright, backyard scrapping. As you can see, we did number 11. We did number 12. And now we're going to do 13. This is the true number 13. That's just for you, buddy. I hope you like this. Alright, so one thing that I did learn is that you can only use these things once. Try to put a second one inside of this and it just fell apart. So then I came over here and kind of rubbed my finger against this number 13. And as you can see, it just deteriorates. So it's a one-time thing in the drywall. You only got one pour, you got one design as it is, and that's where we're at. Alright, so that is the videos of me pouring these three up here. Well, sort of me pouring these three up here, but that's what we had. This was number 11, and like I said, it came out a lot rougher. It was just a quick, I don't know how this little gouge came in that right there. Of course, the letters weren't straight. I didn't have enough metal in the crucible to fill up the mold that I created. It didn't even come into a perfect square or anything. It just kind of set in there, but I'm all right with that. Like I said, it's got a rough look to it, so I'm probably going to end up melting this and then pouring something else out of it. Of course, like I said, if somebody ends up wanting this one right here, it is the Rick. I did go ahead and stamp it. It's 2.48 ounces. It is the number 11. But yeah, just quick, I wanted to see if I can do letters and numbers, and then I went ahead and this was number 12 right here. This one came out really nice. It's a lot smoother, which I don't know why this one isn't as smooth as this one here. I've got a couple ideas. I'm still going to try to figure this out. I'm going to try to figure out this drywall pour, but this was pretty awesome. Now, once I start antiquing them, I think that these designs are going to be even better. I do have some liver of sulfur on the way so that I can try to antique some of this stuff. So this was number 12, 2.4 ounces. And I was pretty happy with that one. The design came out, and that was just a real quick freehand thing. Then number 13, this one came out a little rough as well. I mean, kind of rough, a little rough. I don't know, a little more than rough. But the one, for some reason, didn't turn out. Part of the 3 was missing. But in the end, that was the real number 13. I got a hold of Backyard Scrapping, said, hey, this is the deal. This is what I got. It's the truth. Now, he's all about number 13. And there you go. And I said, hey, this is what it is. And he said, I want it because it's the true number 13. So 2.49 ounces, that's going to backyard scrapping. Now, as you've seen, like, see how the 13 has these right here. I did try to cut some of this off and try to maybe sand that out. I have to figure that part out. As you've seen in the video, this was the one that you've seen in the video. When it was sitting there, I think it was sitting like this, they started to pop up out, and I don't know what that is. Now, I was able to sand this off just a little bit better, kind of smooth it out so it ain't so much of a burr. It's definitely raised up, but it ain't so much of a burr where it will catch stuff. I got to figure that part out. I think I might know what it is. Of course, it's an experiment, so we're going to get deeper into it as I can go. And this is the deuce. I'm going to have to move that. Finally, treasure turd. I got the deuce stamped, as you see. This is for treasure turd. Come on, camera. Well, there you go. It is the deuce. The deuce letters kind of got off just a little bit, kind of sideways a little bit, and then back here, RG 39's fine, 1.16 ounce Troy, and that's for you, treasure turd. I'll be getting a hold of you, sending you an email about the deuce. This is number 14. Yes, number 14, 1.68 ounces, and this was out of graphite. That was the graphite mold, and as you can see, I was able to get some ripples in that thing, so I'm pretty happy about the ripples. They're nice. I can feel them with my finger, so pretty happy about the ripples. You know, up here with the number 9, I didn't get the ripples. I used the exact same mold. This one's a little bit heavier though, 2.24 ounces, and that was the number 9. This is the number 14, weighing in at 1.68 ounces. So pretty happy about the ripples. That's the first set of ripples that I produced, and then I rounded it out with a round in the wood pour, and this one is 1.73. That's a 3. Of course, you can't really see it, but that is 1.73. These ridges right here from the pour kind of distorts the number 3, but it is a number 3, 1.73 ounces, number 15. So that is what I have. Of course, I've never said that I was gonna sell them in the last video. Several of my pours were gone. In fact, of the first 10, I only have these 2 left. 8 of them are already gone. These 2 are left. So all of these are now officially up for sale. The information that you need is down in the description. Not this one. This is a special one for treasure turd, but the information is down below. Like I said, I'm going to try to get the roughness out of this. This one isn't so rough. This one kind of was. So there's something different. I'm gonna figure that out. Hopefully I'm able to figure it out so that it's smooth. I mean, it's not going to be this smooth. It's not going to be this smooth, but just as long as it ain't so rough as this, I might be able to start doing some custom pours. If you have like some initials you want in a bar, or if you have like a date, I don't know how many letters I can put in. As you can see, it does have to be bold letters. The smaller they are, the more I think that it will be of an issue to get the metal to go down into it. So that's an experiment that we're going to have to go over, but eventually maybe I'll be able to do some custom pours, one-of-a-kind deals just for you, the way you want it. If it's a symbol or a random drawing, or now my hand ain't all that great, so I just want you to know that. Anyway, these bars for sale. I do not have COAs right now, but I do have them going to be printed, and as soon as they're printed, these bars will get COAs. Of course, I'll send the bars out before they get the COAs, and then the COAs will be shipped at a later date. The first 8, or the 8 that's already sold, they're already shipped, and they will be receiving the COA as soon as I receive them. So that's where we're at. I appreciate everybody's support. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And until next time, good luck.